and thank you for checking out Talk Boom. I'm your host, Cerebro. What Talk Boom is about is we are a video content channel. What we will be doing is, for those of you who are interested in setting up your own YouTube channel, what we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly how that's done. We're going to show you step by step how to start a YouTube channel, how to create an account, and also we'll talk about different things like cameras, and we'll talk about other different equipment that you might need to set up your YouTube channel. Also, backgrounds are very, very, very important. So we're going to cover the whole gambit from A to Z, setting up a YouTube channel. So also, folks, now when you're looking at a YouTube video, whether it's my video or anyone else's video, a good thing to do is, which we really, really appreciate, is if you leave a comment. See, what the comments do is they let YouTube know that our videos, whether it's good or bad, and it gives us a better ranking. And a better ranking means that more people get a chance to see us. That's how Google's algorithm works. But you will learn all about these different things. We'll teach you different things on what's the best time to release your video or post your videos. You'll learn different things of what's the best colors to wear. All these different things that you need to know. And like I said, it doesn't really matter how old you are. From the ages of 40 years old, 10 years old, I've seen YouTubers as young as 10, 12 years old doing YouTube. So if you're asking yourself this question, am I too old to YouTube? The answer is absolutely not. So we're going to prove all that. So like I said, do me a favor, when you look at my video or anyone else's video, you know what we really appreciate you doing? It's making a little bitty comment. Or on the bottom right hand side, there's a subscribe button. Please click that, smash that button. That lets us know that somebody out there likes our content, and we'll continue making that content for you. And step by step how-to videos on YouTube. Thanks for listening. Remember, right down there, there's a subscribe button, and do me a favor, please leave a comment. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on our next YouTube video.